Alright, preventative maintenance time. This is my 2018-2019 Mazda 6 Turbo SKYACTIV wagon. It's about to hit 100,000 kilometers. So we're going to do some preventive maintenance. I've had no issues with this vehicle since ownership. Except one weird overheating incident, which I documented on this channel. So apart from that incident, which I managed to catch on time and pull over, which I had the cooling system pressure tested, and I've also been rigorous in my oil sample analysis, so I haven't had any issues of cracks on the heads, touch wood, God forbid. But there is one other weak Achilles heel, which is this radiator filler neck, and it's plastic and a known point of failure. You'll see many reports on Mazda groups and Reddits and whatnot where it cracks and coolant leaks out, which is definitely not good. So the replacement part, which just looks like 2 bolts and 3 or 4 hose clamps. So I'm going to be doing this as preventative maintenance. So first up, make sure the car is cold, and you should see coolant in there. Yep, it's full. So I'm gonna have to drain some coolant out of this before I remove and replace. So let's get under the car. Alright, so when you remove the panel from under the car, so we can zoom out. When you get under the car, okay. There is where you drain your coolant, and you can see the lower radiator hose. Okay, you can see this hose, this clamp here, this clamp here, this clamp here, and 2 bolts. And there you have it, it's out. Might take a bit of wrestling, and definitely do help. So this is the old, and this is the new. I don't know if they've updated this part. Looks pretty much the same. But yep. Alright, so installing it is just as simple as putting back the hose and clips, and then refilling it up. What I'm going to do is burp the system, because I don't want any air bubbles trapped in there, which can cause overheating and catastrophic issues. So yep, should be quick install, reinstall. Hoses are back in. It's just the 2 bolts that line up